So there's rumours now bids come in for Leandro Trossard, 22 million euros. With our window closed and us not being able to get a replacement in, do we let Trossard go, Arsenal fans? Personally, I think we should let him go, bro. This offer is not going any higher this January or at the end of the season. He'll be longer into his contract. Obviously, the wage is high as well, bro, and I think there's one more year left after this season ends. So he's gonna want that money, bro. We also have Madueke and Eze who can play on the left wing, guys, and Martinelli as well, bro. I don't think Trossard is a necessity to have at this club. Even Martinelli, bro, personally for me, he can be that striker depth, bro. We've seen him play striker before, fam. When he first came in, and you saw it against Liverpool at Anfield, bro, skis, last season. I'm telling you guys, Martinelli as the backup striker while Havertz is out, Madueke and Eze as the flipping left wingers. Get that money into the club so that we're ready for January to attack for a left winger, bro, to strengthen our squad mid-season, hopefully a Semenyo, and go ahead and try and win this league, bro. We might need that little strength in the squad. And Semenyo or another left winger that has a proper talent can help us do that. And letting him go could be the start of it.